Boy.
Two son?
Yeah, I have two boys.
Two boys.
Yeah, one is 8 years old and second is 4 years old. And the first one they go to school every day, and I take him to speak English every day. They
Really?
can speak some English words.
Do you speak English with him?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long have you been married?
In 1991. 1991.
So about 10 years.
Yeah.
And where did you meet your wife?
Difficult to answer.
Difficult to answer. Why is that?
Very difficult to answer this one.
Okay. You're still married.
Yeah?
You're still married. Your wife is at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you knew each other for a long time before you got married?
Yeah. 2 years before I get married.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And but different traditional from your country. My country is different. And we cannot shake hand, or we cannot talk a lot, or we cannot go to the house. Different.
And can you spell your name for me?
Yes, my name is Yon Wanna. Yon Wanna. So my father name is Yon. Yeah, and my name is Wanna. Different. So in your country you put your name first, and after that second. So in Cambodian it's different.
You do your last name first and then
Yeah.
your first name.
Yeah.
And how would you spell that in English? Do you know?
My name?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my name Yon is Y-U-N. Wanna W-A-N-N-A. Wanna.
And you have a nickname?
Yeah, they call me the next name. They call me Barang.
Barang?
Yeah, my nickname they call me Barang.
What does that mean?
That means the friend word. The friend.
The friend?
Yeah, they look like me, the friend, not the Cambodian. The friends.
The prince?
Yeah.
Ah.
Because they look like me, the friends.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, but I'm not real. I'm Cambodian.
You're not a prince?
Yeah, but my father is Chinese. He blood is Chinese.
Okay.
And he get married with the Cambodian girl.
And where are your parents now? Are they alive?
No, they die already. They die already during in the Pol Pot regime.
Oh, really?
Yeah, now I have only two people, and my sister, my old sister, and me. Now they stay in the poor district, and me I stay in the Siem Reap town. I moved from the poor district to stay in the Siem Reap and to study English also and to find a job.
You said an older sister and then one other?
Only two, me and my old sister.
Okay. And how far away is that she lives? A long way?
16 kilometers from the Siem Reap province to the poor district.
Okay. How do you spell that district?
District. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T.
No, oh, I understand district, but what's the name of the district?
Poor district.
Pua.
Poor district.
How do you spell Pua?
P-U-O-N.
Okay.
Oh, no. K, not N. Yeah.
Poor.
Yeah, Poor district.
Okay. And is that where you grew up?
No. Before I was born in the Battambang province, in Phnom, we call Phnom Supao district, and Snang Khon Nhum. But during in the Pol Pot, they excite me they excite me and to me away from my birthplace. So I remove and that plan to stay over there.
You had to move?
Yeah.
You were told to move?
Pardon?
You were told to move? You could not stay where you were?
Yeah. We cannot because during in the Pol Pot they tell all the people when we have their own land, and after that all the people they must go to stay the other place, and the other people they remove to the other place. So they inside that word is correct. Inside the people. That means that they keep some people the old land and to stay the other place. For example, I was born in the Battambang, but they don't allow me to stay in the Battambang.
Why could you not stay there?
Because I don't know, this is the Pol Pot regime rule. They don't allow the people to stay their own birthplace.
Wow.
Yeah, during that time.
That was 1976?
Yeah.
So, until 1976, you lived there your whole life? You grew up there as a child?
No. After the Vietnam, he back in my country in 1979. So I stay in the Port District until now. And but during in the UNTAC they come and to make election in the Cambodian, and I remove from the Port District and to the town because I want to study English to find a job to do. Because during in the Vietnam control they don't allow the people and to learn the English.
So, can you tell me how you were affected by the Pol Pot regime?
Pardon?
Can you tell me how you were affected by the Pol Pot regime?
In the Pol Pot regime, so I don't stay at my family, so I go to stay with the other village and with all the children and live together. But during that time is my age around 12 or 13 years old, and every morning I go to make a rice field. And we start from the 6 o'clock until 12 or 11, and after that when we turn back, we not enough about the rice. Only we eat the porridge and mix with the water crab or the other. It's not enough. So during that time, make me sins, not fat like that. Yeah. Many children they collect and to stay only one house together.